Today I'm showing you how to use one of Canva's most powerful AI tools, Magic Media. With Magic Media, you can generate images, graphics, or even videos using just a simple text prompt. It's perfect when you need unique visuals but don't have the time or the footage. Let's walk through how it works. First, open your Canva project. From the left hand menu, click on Apps and then search for Magic Media. Once you open it, you'll see three options: image, graphic, video. Let's say we want to generate an image. Click on Image, then type your prompt, something like a futuristic city at sunset in cinematic style. You can also choose your style, photo, painting, or drawing, and set the aspect ratio if needed. Once ready, hit Generate. Canva will now create a set of visuals based on your description. Give it a few seconds. When it's done, just click on the one you like and it'll drop right into your design. Let's play with the video option. Click on Video and in the prompt box, type something like drone shot of a river between forest. This is the kind of prompt that works great for an intro, background video, or cinematic B-roll. Now, hit Generate. Give it a few moments. Canva will use AI to create a short video clip that matches your description. This is perfect for making your content stand out with visuals that are completely custom and created just for your project. And that's how you use Magic Media in Canva to generate AI powered images, graphics, and videos like that drone shot of a forest river right inside your editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva and AI video tips.